How to go live on TikTok with dual camera. TikTok has this feature where if you want to go live and you can enable both of your front and back camera at the same time. So let's see how you can do that. The very first thing you need to know is that you need at least 1000 followers in order for you to go live on TikTok. Before that, you don't have the live option, so once you're eligible to go live on TikTok, which I'm not unfortunately right now, so I'm just gonna tell you how you can do it. Once you go to your live and tap on the settings, it will look something like this. And once you tap on the settings here, besides your settings, you can see the dual right option right here, this one. Besides the settings, you can just tap on dual and it will enable the dual camera on your TikTok. And once you have done that, you can just tap on go live to start your live stream and enable both of your camera at the same time. And that's how you can go live on TikTok with dual camera. If this video was helpful to you in any way, head down below and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the post notification so that you don't miss out on new videos. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.